now we show you how to operate the circuit breaker. Okay, this is circuit breaker, right? Okay, we take out the pin and take out the handle. Okay, and take out the fastener ring and take out the this gasket. Take out this black gasket. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and this is the emergency handle. Okay. Now we show you how to install the circuit breaker on the tank. Okay, firstly we put this black gasket inside, and then we put this bushing, okay, and this white gasket, and then fastening ring. Okay, and use this. Okay, fastening it, and then we install the handle, and then with the pin. Okay, so this is okay. Under this ring, we will make it open to make it fasten in this. Okay, now we already install it, right? This is tanker wall. Okay, this is just for sample. This is tanker wall. You can see, you can open and close, right? Okay. And this one is the emergency handle. Okay. If you want uninstall it, you can take it out, take out, and open it. So very easy, right? And then you can take it out from the tank. Okay, so it is very easy for your installation. Okay, here with a spanner. Okay.